Jain guys, I'm here with my new assignment video. I had to visualize this requirement, and basically this is a, sample report for your reference. You can just refer it uh, for making a better report and in a good way by your own. Okay, so basically this is the requirement. I have to visualize what is this is the quality task assignment. In this things we are going to check what is the different quality, and what is the defect in the quality, what is according to the according to the reason, create sampling for author, create card slicer, and any other unique visuals. Okay, so let's do it. I have already created a report, so I'm just going to explain it how just I created it. Okay, so let's first go to the data set. Here it is not visible. So first go to in the Excel. Here is a date table, employee table, auditor ID, total, task, sample, defects, fatal errors. Okay, and in the employee master you have all the information regarding to the employees, employee ID, employee name, supervisor, work location. And in the auditor, it's basically auditor ID and the auditor name. Okay, so this is the our data set. By using that data set we are going to just create a report. So basically I have just created that report. First of all, if you have there is a, it's not showing. I don't know why it's not showing. It will show you what is the basically fatal error. There is a fatal error in the 01, and what is the defects according to this. Okay, so basically this is the data, and we are going to just visualize it. Okay, so first of all, if you have a fatal error, then you want to know what is the percentage of the fatal error throughout the errors. Okay, and what is the defect percentage, and what is the sampling percentage. So for that you have to just create a measure. Okay, for the fatal error I have just created a measure. Okay, so what is the fatal error? So just divide fatal error with the samples. Means in the samples, how many are the percentage of the fatal error. This is the important thing when you just going to visualize your data. Okay, so same thing I have just applied defects. In the defects, like how many samples are defects among the whole samples. Okay, and the same things I have done for the samplings. In the samplings, basically samples we are going to analyze it into the task. Okay, so basically how many tasks, in the quality data, how many tasks have been sampled. Okay, how many tasks have been taken for the sampling. This is the correct way of defining the sampling percentage. Okay guys, so this is the total task. I have already created a month, month column, and a quarter, week, year, so that I have just created a date hierarchy. Here you can see that there is a date hierarchy. Since you are going to visualize any data, and if there is related to the time, then it is important to make the a date hierarchy. Okay, so that you can visualize it better. So I have used a month as a slicer. So you just click on that month, any month you want. What I just want to click on the March. It will filter all the data according to the March. Okay, so this is the slicer I have just used it. Here I'm just use multi-row cards. Basically I want to show this data into the percentage. Okay, in the it is the percentage of the whole data of the samples. Okay, defects, fatal error percentage, defect percentage I have already explained you. And total task, basically you have just use total task and sum it. And quality score, like what is the score of the quality you are using. How basically you will get it. Basically, if you are not getting any defects, then your product is quality product. Okay, this is the main concept behind it. So we just minus 1 from the defect product. If defected product are subtracted in the whole product, then only will remain only the quality products. Okay guys, so same thing it's applied here. If defect minus blank, if defect equal to percentage is equal to my blank, then it will show 0, otherwise it will show 1 minus defect, because here if there is a no data in the defect percentage, okay, if there is a no data in the different defect percentage, then it will show 0, otherwise it will show quality score. You guys got it or not? So just I am explaining one more time. Like, if there is a no defect product in all the product inventory, or you can say in the all the products, if there is a no defected, okay, then these product will called quality product. So I am just using here quality score. What is the quality score of the product? So we just created, if defect percentage is equal to my blank, if there is a no data in the defect percentage, then it will show 0. It's obvious, if there is a no data, then it should be display 0, okay, for our convenient. Otherwise if there is a data, then it will show 1 minus defect percentage. Okay, so it's a 1 basically stand for the 100%. Okay, so we just minus what is the defect percentage. Okay, it will show the quality score. So you got my point. Okay, so basically this is the thing. So I am just using here quality score into the gauge, and here I am just utilize using the clustered column chart. Basically what is the quarter data for the samples, defect, fatal errors, and the quality score. Okay, it will show our quarter data. And when you just click on it, it will show something like this type. What is this? Basically it is basically a tooltip. And how just you can create a tooltip? So basically you have to create another page for basically tooltip. How you just can create a tooltip? So don't select anything. Go to the format pane, go to the go to the page size and select the tooltip. I have already created it, so it's showing tooltip. Okay, and go to the page information, enable the tooltip. Okay, enable the uh, tooltip. And if you are using any Q&A, then you can also enable it. Okay, for instance, for a while I am just using tooltip. Okay, so you can give a name here, tooltip. So how you can just use it? How just I have used there a tooltip, like there is showing a tooltip. How I just use it? How just it's showing tooltip? Okay, so click the particular visual, go to the format pane, go to the tooltip, enable it, and in the type it will be report type, and in the page it will go to the tooltip you have already created. So basically I have just hide this page because it will, I'm not going to, it is not attached to the report, because if anyone want to see, uh, then particular one is not interested in this particular bar chart. Okay, the particular one is interested into the this type of scenario, like what is the fatal error by month. I'm just go there and it will give me a tooltip. Like, it is basically give me a data only for the May according to the fatal error. Okay, this is the main advantage of the tooltip. You can use it, and you are not going to attach into the report as a page, because you don't want to show that to any report viewer or your client. Okay, so this is the thing. And another page I have created employee details. All the above information, all the earlier information is same. Just I have created a matrix, and in the matrix I have taken the value total talk, sample, sampling percentage, fatal errors percentage, defect percentage. Okay, and in the rows I have just created supervisor and employee name. According to the supervisor, like there is a supervisor Jack. In the particular supervisor there is two employees, Dan Weeks and the Halim Zamora. Okay, so here I have also created a tooltip. You can go to the particular cell and you can see, show this what is the employee name and what is the basically quality score of that particular employee name. Okay, so this is the information you will get from the tooltip. So basically tooltip is very important thing. If you are going to visualize any report, then it will give you extra knowledge, like extra information based on that particular data. So this is it, guys. If there is any query you want to ask, just ask me or ping me. Anything you can do it. So thank you so much, guys. That's it.